Missing a deadline in your divorce case can lead to serious delays or even harm your case. Imagine facing a default judgment because you missed filing a response. It's crucial to understand the impact of these deadlines. Consider the importance of filing a response, serving financial disclosures, and submitting your final judgment package. Each of these steps is critical. Missing any can result in severe consequences like case dismissal or default judgments. First, identify which deadline you missed and understand its implications. If you missed a response deadline, file a motion to set aside the default. Quick action can prevent irreversible damage to your case. Forgot to submit financial disclosures? File them immediately to avoid case dismissal. If your case was dismissed due to inactivity, refile your divorce petition promptly. Acting swiftly can save your case from further complications. Double-check all court deadlines and set reminders to ensure you don't miss anything. Submitting paperwork early can prevent last-minute issues. Collaborate with an expert to ensure everything is filed correctly the first time. Courts have strict rules about deadlines, but acting quickly can fix issues. By staying organized and proactive, you can avoid unnecessary delays and keep your divorce process on track. Divorce661 offers solutions to fix missed deadlines and get your case back on track. With flat fee pricing, you avoid expensive attorney fees. Enjoy 100% remote service, handling everything from the comfort of your home. Visit divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help resolve any issues and keep your divorce moving forward. Don't let missed deadlines derail your case. Take action today and ensure a smoother process.